If Gamma is showing you error code 504, don't worry, this usually does not mean your account is broken. It normally means the server is overloaded, the request timed out, or Gamma is taking too long to finish processing your content. In this video, I'll show you the fastest fixes to get Gamma working again, and I'll keep it simple, practical, and safe to follow. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when new tutorials are posted. First, the easiest fix is to wait 2 to 3 minutes and then try again. A 504 error often happens when a background system is choked up under heavy traffic or temporarily lagging. In many cases, the issue fixes itself on its own after a short wait. So before you start changing anything, give Gamma a little time to recover. After waiting, do not just click reload once. Instead, perform a hard refresh. A normal refresh may keep loading the same stock version of the page, but a hard refresh forces your browser to fetch a clean copy. If you're on Windows or Linux, press Ctrl plus F5 or use Ctrl plus Shift plus R. That will force the browser to fully reload the page instead of relying on cached data. If Gamma still shows the same error, the next fix is to break up massive outlines or text prompts. One common reason this happens is that the request is simply too large for the app to process smoothly. If you are trying to generate a huge presentation all at once, or pasting in a very long prompt, Gamma may time out before it finishes. Instead of asking for a 30-card deck in one go, try a standard 8 to 10 card generation first. That smaller request is much easier for the system to handle. If your prompt is very long, shorten it and divide the content into smaller sections. You can generate one part at a time, then build the rest afterward. This not only reduces the chance of error code 504, but it can also give you better results because the app has a clearer task to work with. So the full fix is really simple. Wait a couple of minutes, hard refresh the page, and if the error keeps coming back, reduce the size of your outline or prompt. In most cases, one of these steps will clear the issue and let you continue working normally in Gamma. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. And if you want, check the next video for more Gamma fixes and productivity tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.